Hello everyone, myself Pujati from Analytical Technologies Limited. Today we are demonstration about upright metallurgical microscope. This is our standard upright metallurgical microscope. This is eyepiece. It's a light for setting hole. This is camera for the imaging your sample. This for the adjust the field hole, and that's a light adjustment. Here is two slot for the filter salt. This is for the polarized slot, and this is analyzed slot. You can adjust this. There's a stage for sample. It's a fine focusing probe. It's a core focusing probe. It's a y-axis moving probe. It's a x-axis moving probe. It's a power outlet. Here is a two fuse, and this is a power switch. That's the body. Here is two light source available. This is the first and this is the second. It's for the transmitted illumination, and it's for the reflected illumination. This switch for the light on off. It's for the light adjustment knob. This is a dipole adjustment ring. This is a nose piece, and it's an objective lens. You can attach the 5 objective lens, maximum 6 objective lens attached. Here is right now 5 objective lens already attached, and you can adjust the objective lens like this. This is a 5x, it's a 10x, it's a 20x, it's a 50x, and it's 100x. Also you can attach a 6 objective lens if you have. Right now we have one standard sample for the analysis. First of all, please put the sample like this and adjust the x-axis and y-axis. You can see the pictures in a software and set the proper position. Set the objective lens and set the fine focusing knob, and then coaxial focusing knob. You can see the picture by software.